Hello and welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hi everyone, we're so happy you are here with us today.
If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel.
And like this video, it really helps us.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack.
On this channel, we help you practice real everyday English,
Simple English,
clear English.
very natural English.
Today we have a very modern topic.
Yes, a topic everyone knows.
Today we are going to learn.
How to talk about social media in English.
We will use easy words,
We will explain everything step by step.
perfect for beginners.
Let's get started.
So, Jack, how are you today?
I'm doing great, Emma. How about you?
I'm feeling good. A little tired, but good.
Tired is a useful word.
Yes, tired means you need rest.
Emma, can I ask you a question?
Of course.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I do.
Every day?
Almost every day.
Me too.
What is social media? Let's start with a simple question.
What is social media?
Good question.
Social media is
Websites and apps.
we use them to talk to people,
To share photos.
to watch videos.
To write messages.
Examples are, these are all social media apps.
Repeat for practice. Repeat after us.
Social media.
Social media. I use social media.
I use social media. I don't use social media.
I don't use social media. Asking simple questions. Jack, which social media app do you use most?
I use YouTube the most. I like watching videos.
Educational videos?
Yes, and funny videos too.
That's honest.
What about you?
I use Instagram a lot.
What do you do on Instagram?
I look at photos.
Do you post photos?
Let's learn some easy words.
First word, app.
An app is a program on your phone.
Instagram is an app.
WhatsApp is an app. Next word, post.
Post means you share something.
You post a photo?
You post a video.
Example sentence.
I post photos on Instagram.
Very good. Next word, message.
A message is a text you send to someone.
I send messages to my friends.
On WhatsApp.
Simple daily conversation. Let's practice a short conversation. Jack, do you use social media every day?
Yes, I do.
What do you do on social media?
I watch videos and send messages.
That's great.
What about you?
I look at photos and post stories.
Talking about photos. Emma, do you like taking photos?
Yes, I do.
With your phone?
Yes, my phone camera is good.
Do you post all photos? Why not?
Some photos are private.
Private means only for you. Public versus private. Easy words.
Public means everyone can see.
Private means only you or close friends.
Now we want to ask you,
Yes, you watching this video.
do you use social media?
Which app do you use most?
Write your answer in the comments.
Use simple English. Phrase practice.
Let's practice some useful phrases.
Repeat after us.
I use Instagram.
I use Instagram. I use YouTube.
I use YouTube. I don't use Facebook.
I don't use Facebook.
Great job today.
You learned many new words.
Social media. In the next part,
We will talk about
how often we use social media
and why we like it.
or don't like it.
See you in part 2.
Hello again, everyone.
Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
This is part 2 of our lesson.
Today, we continue talking about social media.
Very simple English.
Very easy conversation.
Let's continue.
How often do you use social media?
Jack, let me ask you something.
Sure, Emma.
How often do you use social media?
I use social media every day.
Every day?
Yes, every day.
I use social media every day too.
Many people do.
Repeat after us.
Every day.
Every day.
Easy explanation. Every day means all days.
Sometimes means not every day.
Rarely means almost never.
Never means 0 times.
Good job.
Using sentences. Now let's use full sentences.
Repeat slowly.
I use social media every day.
I use social media every day. I use social media sometimes.
I use social media sometimes. I rarely use social media.
I rarely use social media. I never use social media.
I never use social media.
Time on social media.
Jack, how much time do you spend on social media?
Maybe 1 hour a day.
1 hour. I spend about 2 hours.
That's honest.
Useful words, time. Let's learn time words. Example sentences. I spend 30 minutes on Instagram.
I spend 1 hour on YouTube.
I spend too much time on my phone.
Too much means more than good. Why do you use social media?
Jack, why do you use social media?
Good question. I use social media to relax.
Relax means feel calm. I use social media to talk to friends.
That's very common.
Useful word, relax. I watch videos to relax. More reasons. People use social media for many reasons.
To learn.
To watch videos.
To share photos.
To follow famous people.
To read news.
Repeat after us.
I use social media to relax.
I use social media to relax. I use social media to learn English.
I use social media to learn English. Very good.
Posting on social media. Jack, do you post on social media?
Not very often.
Not very often means sometimes. What do you post?
I post photos of nature.
That's nice. Word, often. Often means many times.
Not often means few times.
Not often. Short practice dialogue. Jack, do you post every day?
No, I don't.
How often do you post?
Once a week.
Once a week means one time in 7 days. Easy time phrases. Once a day.
Once a day. Once a week.
Once a week. Once a month.
Once a month.
Viewer practice time. Now it's your turn.
Answer this question.
How often do you use social media?
You can write,
I use social media every day. I use social media sometimes.
write in the comments.
Great work today.
You are learning step by step.
In part 3,
We will talk about
good and bad sides of social media.
likes and dislikes.
Very useful English.
See you in part 3.
Hello everyone.
Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
This is part 3,
Today we talk about likes and dislikes.
and good and bad sides of social media.
Very useful English.
Let's begin. Talking about likes. Jack, do you like social media?
Yes, I do.
Why do you like it?
I like it because it helps me learn.
That's nice.
What about you?
I like social media too because I can talk to my friends.
Repeat for practice.
Repeat after us.
I like social media.
I like social media. I like social media because it is fun.
I like social media because it is fun.
Because tells us the reason. I like YouTube because I learn new things.
Very good.
Jack, do you dislike anything about social media?
Yes, I do.
What do you dislike?
I dislike fake news.
Fake means not true.
Yes. Fake news is bad.
I don't like fake news.
I don't like fake news. I dislike rude comments,
I dislike rude comments. Rude means not polite.
bad words.
Mean words.
Good sides of social media.
Let's talk about good sides.
Good sides means good things.
Social media helps us stay connected.
Connected means in touch.
We can talk to family far away.
We can learn new skills,
We can watch English videos.
like this one.
Practice sentences. Social media is helpful.
Social media is helpful. Social media helps me learn English.
Social media helps me learn English. Now let's talk about bad sides.
Too much time on the phone.
Yes, that is a problem.
People compare themselves.
Compare means say, I am not good.
That can make people sad.
Word, too much. Too much means more than good. I use my phone too much. Time control. Jack, do you limit your time? And
Yes, I try.
limit means stop after some time.
I stop after 1 hour.
That's healthy. Short conversation practice. Jack, what do you like about social media?
I like learning new things.
What do you dislike?
I dislike spending too much time.
Good answer. Asking viewers. Now we ask you,
What do you like about social media?
and what do you dislike?
Write one sentence.
Repeat after us.
I like social media because it is useful.
I like social media because it is useful. I don't like social media because it wastes time.
I don't like social media because it wastes time.
You are doing great.
Your English is improving.
In Part 4,
We will talk about safety.
and simple rules.
Very important topic.
See you in Part 4. Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to Daily English Talk,
This is Part 4.
the final part,
Today, we will talk about safety.
and simple rules.
Then we will review everything.
And ask the question of the day.
Let's start.
Social media safety. Very easy English.
Jack, is social media always safe?
Not always.
That's important to know. Easy word, safe. Safe means no danger.
Not safe means danger.
Repeat after us.
Not safe. Personal information.
Jack, what should we not share online?
Personal information.
Good point.
Like phone number.
Home address, never share your password.
Repeat for practice.
I don't share my password.
I don't share my password. I keep my information private.
I keep my information private.
Word. Password.
Password is a secret word.
You use it to log in.
Login means enter your account.
Talking to people online.
Jack, do you talk to strangers online? Is that safe?
Be careful.
Careful means think before you act.
Easy rule.
If someone is rude,
You can block them
block means stop contact.
or report them.
Report means tell the app.
Practice.
I block rude people.
I block rude people. I report bad messages.
I report bad messages.
Healthy social media habits.
Jack, how can we use social media in a healthy way?
Limit time.
Very good.
Take breaks.
Do other activities.
Talk to real people. Easy phrase.
I take a break.
I take a break. I limit my screen time.
I limit my screen time. Now let's review everything.
From part 1 to part 4.
What is social media? Social media is apps and websites
We use it to talk,
to share photos.
to watch videos.
How often? We learned time words.
Every day.
We learned how to say likes
I like social media because it is fun.
and dislikes.
I don't like fake news.
Safety. We learned about safety.
Keep information private.
Don't share passwords.
Block rude people.
Full practice story. Very easy. Let's say a full example.
Repeat after us.
I use social media every day.
I watch videos and send messages.
I like social media because I learn English.
I don't use it too much.
I stay safe online. Question of the day. Now it's time for the question of the day.
Are you ready?
Here it is.
What social media app do you use the most?
And why?
Write one simple sentence.
For example,
I use YouTube because I learn English.
you did an amazing job today.
Yes. Be proud of yourself.
Thank you for learning with Talk Aura.
If you liked this lesson,
Please like the video
subscribe to our channel.
and share it with friends.
We post new English conversations. See you next time. Bye-bye.